If you're looking for a functional compact SUV with reliability and safety for the whole family, then take a look at this certified pre-owned 2017 Jeep Patriot High Altitude in True Blue Pearl. With halogen headlamps, fog lamps, 17-inch aluminum wheels, power heated mirrors with manual fold-away, deep tint sunscreen glass, black side roof rails, bright exhaust tip, heated front seats, a steering wheel mounted audio control, 33,000 miles on the odometer, a Uconnect voice command with Bluetooth, audio jack input for mobile devices, auto stick automatic transmission, a rear 60/40 split fold and recline seat, a power sunroof, flat load floor storage, a 2-liter 4-cylinder engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number D5488.
All Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles pass a stringent inspection process, guaranteeing that only the finest vehicles get certified. Ask your dealer about available lifetime warranty upgrades. Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles, the smart choice, factory backed to go the distance. This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX vehicle history report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX buyback guarantee.